This is one of the farthest things you can see without a telescope. But if you use a telescope to look closer, you'll see it's the second closest big galaxy to us. It's called Triangulum Galaxy. In pictures, you can see blue dots everywhere. These are groups of young blue stars, and the many red areas look like cherry blossoms swirling in a storm. But they're actually just clouds of gas and dust. These clouds are where some of the blue stars are born, because in these thick clouds of gas and dust, gravity pulls things together and new stars form. The Triangulum Galaxy's width is about half the size of our Milky Way. It's over 50,000 light-years across. It's also a spiral galaxy, and it's only about 3 million light-years from Earth. But compared to our Milky Way, the Triangulum Galaxy's arms are more spread out, so it looks messier and less organized. But that doesn't stop it from being the third largest in our local group of galaxies. There are only 3 big galaxies in our local group. The biggest is the Andromeda Galaxy, about 220,000 light-years wide. The second biggest is our own Milky Way galaxy, about 100,000 light-years across. And the Triangulum Galaxy is clearly the smallest of the 3. It's about half the size of the Milky Way. But out of about 50 galaxies in our local group, it's still considered pretty big, because apart from these 3, most of the others are dwarf galaxies. As for its name, it's named after the constellation Triangulum where it appears. You can also call it Galaxy M33, even though it looks more like a pinwheel. It's important to know that the galaxy we usually call the Pinwheel Galaxy is actually this one, M101, about 21 million light-years away, not the Triangulum Galaxy. But because it's so far away, the distance means we can't see it in the night sky without help. Only the galaxies that are closer to us are visible in our night sky. Years ago, when we looked up at the stars, we'd wonder all sorts of things about the universe. But in cities today, forget about galaxies. Even most of the stars seem to have disappeared from the night sky. Maybe that's one reason why so few people pay attention to the stars and universe these days.